Hi, hello people, what's up, what's popping? Welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia. If this is your first time I've seen this face, please do to subscribe and like and share this video. And if it's not your first time, first of all, thank you and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, sit down and grab your popcorn because today we are on to dish out a lot of information that I believe will be beneficial to anybody that wants to start off their career as either a web developer or anything wants to be actually related to web development. Yes, so without further ado, we'll get right into this video. Today's video is going to be very brief and concise, but then at the same time I'm going to try as much as possible to share this information and break it down to the way that everybody's going to understand, because lately I've been getting comments like, what is roadmap to web development, how do you start, and all of those stuff. Honestly, like I said, I don't know if I've shared this journey before. I once used to be a developer when I was in year 1. That was like 4 years ago. That was the first time I started doing the web development, and I was learning online, like virtually online. And to an extent, I didn't really learn, I can't lie to you. Maybe firstly because I didn't even understood what exactly it was I was doing, and secondly because at some point I got stuck and there was no moving forward. It was just like we were just following like a training schedule. Like, use that a schedule, or I don't know what to call it, a calendar. Let me just call it a calendar, but like a schedule that is showing what exactly you're supposed to do. So if it is just comments, do comment. What's that? Sometimes you encounter challenges and you will not have to go on to. And meeting back the people that organize the class, because it's an online academy, is really hard to reach out to people to know, okay, I encountered this issue. And it kind of stressed me to a point where I did give up. I didn't complete the class. I didn't get any certification from it. Fast forward back to last year, 2024, I decided to register for another bootcamp, which is where I started learning officially. And yeah, that's why I've quite improved a lot, even though I've not been coding a lot lately. But I know that there are some things that I know that it cannot just leave my memory again. That being said, if you're looking to start up your coding journey this 2025, here are some tools that might help you. First things first, for coding I use Visual Code Studio. I just feel like it's self-explanatory. I don't know of any other one again, to be honest. I've not researched. The last time I used, I've forgotten the name, and that was a long time ago. But since I started using Visual Code, I've just stuck with it. So that is what I code on. I'll try as much as possible to attach screenshots and screen recordings so that you will be able to understand what exactly it is that I'm saying. That being said, the first website I think that will be very beneficial to you as somebody that is learning web development, front end, back end, whatever it is you're learning, any programming language, is W3 Schools. W3 Schools. If you check it on Google, any browser you're using, if you check it, you see it's like an academy where they have, like, again, a schedule list of, I forgot, I'm trying to get it, the name they call that stuff, where course outline, thank you, name has come. That's like a course outline for programming, and they'll write out the code for you. So they'll explain it, they'll write it. If you play it, you will see what exactly that code does, then you can apply it to yourself. I feel like it's very beginner friendly. I will try and attach screenshots of what I'm saying so that you get me, or I'll do a screen recording if still. But yeah, it's a very beginner friendly that has a course outline for web development, whereby if you are in HTML, we are going to teach you every single thing you need to know about HTML. Is written there. Obviously nobody can teach you anything, but everything, but then they are vast with what they teach, and I feel like it's very helpful. If I ever have issues or any type or any problem, I'm working on a particular thing, if it's comments and I'm working on commenting out something or writing out comments, I just go directly to the W3 School, type what I'm looking for, and boom, it will come out. I'll give you examples. Okay, I'm looking to maybe change the color of this form or design a form. Basically, I just go into W3 School, type forms. So under forms, I can now see it's where it has been broken down to different sections, different categories of that form, the input and all of those stuff. And with that, it's like it makes it like it breaks it down further for you to a level that you can understand it, obviously. So that's one website I think like you should hold on to, W3 Schools. It's absolutely free, you can check them out. Another thing I just want to, so as I've mentioned Visual Code, W3 Schools, the second thing I want to mention is ChatGPT. yeah, hear me out. First of all, I'm not advocating for you to just start coding and go to ChatGPT and start to type out and grab code from there. Honestly, you will not learn anything, to be fair. But where ChatGPT helps you is that because the technology has evolved, if you ever encounter an issue or you're trying to work on something, a project, and you get stuck by the way, you can grab your code and paste on ChatGPT and tell, okay, I'm trying to debug this code. Where do I get, or what was the issue, or what do I do? When you paste your code there, ChatGPT runs through the code and say, oh, you omitted something. It might be something very small. That's the thing I found out with code. It might be something very tricky, very little something that could mess up your entire code or your entire work and make it not to work. And when you get to React, that's when you really understand, because React a little minor, your site will not load and you will just like, it will frustrate the hell out of you. But with ChatGPT, sometimes even when they recommend instruction and things that might be wrong, you might still not get it right. But to the best of my knowledge, they offer or a little bit of help to aid your coding journey. So I feel like it's one thing you should hold on to ChatGPT. I know people code with it, but I would personally not advise you to start off with that because it will not help you. Other than that, you can check out Goodiesoft Academy or some of the academies online. I feel like people, sorry to say, people are not ready to research about information, and which is why most times when I see things that I've already talked about in my comment section and people keep asking questions about it, it just baffles me that they're just something that I feel you on your own you should be able to research. And when you research it, when somebody's explaining to you, it makes it easier for you to understand. But when somebody's explaining to you on a basis that you don't even have any basis of understanding, you don't even know what web development is all about, and somebody's explaining to you about how to become a web developer, it makes it very difficult for you to comprehend. With that being said, I have a playlist where I talk basically things about web development. I've explained web development, the difference between web design, how to start, all of those. I've gone through it, but oftentimes I just have to revisit this kind of topic again. So you can go and check out my playlist, and I'm sure you learn one or two, because I obviously cannot cover everything in this particular video. But with that being said, that is it. Check out W3 Schools, check out ChatGPT, use Visual Code because that's what I code it, and I feel like it's very user friendly. And yeah, check out YouTube. You can learn a lot. Me personally, I am not into the very teaching part of code. I cannot come and start setting up my camera to teach you, okay, this is HTML and that's like really not what I want to go into, because I will not have time to keep up with those kind of classes. But if I eventually do have time, I will not hesitate to do that. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn value or you gain value from this channel or from this video, please do it to share. We don't get to keep over here. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.